dance is called Josefina. 32 count, 4 walls. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Do a flip walk. Cross, flip, cross, flip, cross, back, side, recover. Section 1. Cross, flip, cross, flip, cross, back, side, recover. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. In front, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter, forward, recover. Section 2. In front, side, behind, sweep, behind, quarter, forward, recover. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Step back on left, sweep right behind, behind, side, forward, flip, back, hook. Section 3. Step behind, sweep, behind, side, forward, flip, back, hook. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. Step forward, step left to the side, behind, quarter, do a pivot quarter turn to your left, cross side. Last section. Forward, side, behind, quarter to your left, step pivot quarter turn to the left, cross side. Last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance here, wall 2. Let me show you the whole dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there is a tap at the end of wall 3, which is facing 3 o'clock. I will show you the tap facing 12. The tap is cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold, forward, hold. I'll repeat the tap. It's actually a jazz box with hold. Cross, hold, back, hold, side, hold, forward, hold. So with a count, 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. And you dance this at the end of wall 3.